I went out to the junkyard and was able to find a sliding back glass for my truck. And these first gens, a lot of times one side or the other tends to be broken out when you find them in the junkyard for some reason. And I'm going to show you how to rebuild this back glass. This one here looks fine, but it has a plexiglass window in it, and the plexiglass is not going to work. So we're going to swap it out. I found another back glass across the yard in another truck that was, the windows were broken out on the opposite side. And so I was able to pull this glass out, and we're going to show you how to swap them out real quick.